topic is going to be BMW flex joints, and these you will also find on Mercedes too. Not so much Audi or any of the other ones, but mainly BMWs and Mercedes-Benz. What this is acting like is that basically you have a driveshaft that has a U-joint, and on these German cars they use this rubber thing called a GUIBO or a flex disc, and it takes the place of the U-joint. As you can see, this one's pretty cracked and pretty bad. It's about ready to come apart. I have seen these things come all the way apart and actually flop around inside and cause damage to the tail end of the transmission and or the drive shaft. So you always want to have these things checked. Again, like I say, this one's a little extreme. So get these things checked at least once a year, and if they start to crack, it's a good idea to get them replaced because you can get unwanted vibrations and issues that you don't want. Have a good day.